Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this custom pirate map. To make this map I bought a drop cloth from Home Depot, which come in various sizes and lengths. I cut it to my specific size, which can be anything you want it to be. There are several websites that can generate fantasy maps for reference when drawing your land masses, or you can make it up from scratch, or just look at a map of planet Earth. I used pencil to make my first marks. I also added several icons and sea creatures to add depth and character to my map, with several names also dotting the landscape. I used plain black acrylic paint and a thin model brush to cover over my pencil lines and make it look like they were inked onto the fabric. Because I took inspiration from Tolkien, the author of The Lord of the Rings, I used his maps as reference and thought that the way he drew his trees was unique, and they looked like little circles, so I took that idea and put it on my map as well. I also replicated his mountain look. I added several waves to the outer sides of the islands to simulate the oceans. You can add whatever other details you like. To make the map more realistic and dirty, I used tea and unevenly poured it onto the map and waited for it to dry. The last detail I put was a red X as an icon to signify buried treasure. I did this with a red Sharpie. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.